Hi you guys, welcome back to Briefly Trending. Today we're going to talk about Dr. Susan Moore. Now Dr. Susan Moore has been in the headlines recently, but before I get into why she has been in the headlines, I want to give you all a brief background on Miss Dr. Susan Moore. So Dr. Susan Moore was a brilliant, beautiful black doctor who operated her own family practice. She was also a great mother and daughter. So let's get into why she has been trending lately. So Susan went into a hospital in Indiana because she tested positive for COVID-19 on November of 2020. While she was there, she faced poor treatment, as she spoke about in a video she posted on social media. Now, in this video, she spoke about how much pain she was in. She also spoke about how they refused to give her pain medication and how she was made to feel like a drug addict. Also, in the video, you can see how Dr. Susan Moore spoke on how Black people lose their lives. She stated, "This is how Black people lose their lives, when you send them home and they don't know how to fight for themselves." She also stated that she felt like if she was a white person, she wouldn't have to go through this. Now, there have also been reports that she asked for a CT scan to prove that her pain was real. There have also been reports that she asked to be transferred to another hospital, but was told just to go home. I want to say that I am disgusted with the behavior that these medical professionals and or health workers showed Dr. Susan Moore. I also want to point out why we should all pay attention to this, because this could easily be your sister. This could easily be someone that you love and or care about. So we should continue to speak on these issues. So I want to also speak about the study that was taken in 2016 that showed that many white medical students and residents believed false-based narratives such as Black people experience less pain than whites. This is the same belief that I believe his name is J. Marion Sims had. He performed vaginal surgery procedures on enslaved Black women without anesthesia. If we dig a little deeper, we'll also find that there were many Black people who were experimented on. We can also look at the Tuskegee experiment, where they failed to give these Black men the medical attention they deserved, but instead they watched them as things got worse. We can also speak about Henrietta Lacks. If you all want to go and watch, I believe there's a movie about her life called The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks. If we speak about segregation, we can talk about how hospitals were segregated and many Black people probably lost their lives due to it being understaffed and under-resourced. We can also speak about how Black women's maternal mortality rate is 3 to 4 times higher than white women, and how most of these deaths are preventable. I want to close off on this. I want to say that we have to continue to call out the medical professionals and or healthcare workers if they're not providing the proper care and or medical attention that these patients deserve. We cannot allow or continue to allow medical professionals and or healthcare workers to escape and or get away with treating people like they do not matter and or they don't have value. I also want to point out that I know that this is not every single medical professional and or healthcare worker. So thank you to the medical professionals and or healthcare workers who do their jobs properly. But again, we cannot allow the ones who are not doing their jobs properly to escape consequence. We must hold them accountable. So thank you all for watching. Please continue to watch my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like. Until next time.